everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to reset your password on Twitter. For this, I am going to use a Twitter app. You can also do the same. So tap on Twitter app, make sure to install it and then get on the first page of the Twitter app itself. Now tap on this login option below, tap on forget password option on the bottom left corner, tap on email, phone number or username. I'm going to keep my email address. You can also do the same and then tap on this next option on the bottom right corner. So if you want a confirmation code on your email address, tap on this square box here straight to send an email to your particular account. You can see that I have already tapped on it and then tap on next option on the bottom right corner. So now you can see that they have sent us a confirmation code. So I'm going to go to my email address and check it. You can also do the same. So on the top you can see that I do have a notification from Twitter which says password reset request. Tap on it. You can see that I do have a confirmation code over here, so I'm going to tap on it and then go to my email address section and then enter my code just like this and then tap on next option in the bottom right corner. So you can see that now I do have an opportunity to enter my new password. Make sure to make it stronger. Now scroll down and retype the password once again to confirm it. So when you're done, tap on change password on the bottom right corner. So now they're asking us that why would we want to change our password. So I'm gonna tap on I forgot my password option, or you can even choose the different reasons as per your wish. For that, tap on this circle straight to the reason and then tap on next option on the bottom right corner. We are all set. Now I'm gonna tap on continue to Twitter to see that I have successfully reset my password on Twitter. So this is how you do it. This is how you reset your password on Twitter. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe and goodbye.